Oh no! My log. What are you doing? You okay? Oh, let's give it mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Ah, life in the log. Oh, good. Come up here, baby. Come here. My poor log. Come here. Lay here. Oh, you just sleep here. Oh, stay there, log. Good. I was so worried then because I thought someone had killed my log, but he or she's okay now. So this is my last day here in the forest, going back to London, and I just want to come and see my log. Say goodbye. And what I'm going to do is keep my chin up. Me and my log, me and my log, logging every day. Me and my log, loggy log, I love my log in every way. My log is wonderful, I use him to exercise. I pick him up like so, and lift him above my head like so. Me and my log, me and my log. Through the forest, me and my log, me and my log, in the forest of love, and here we go, working hard all day. It looks light, doesn't it? But it's not. Oh my God, me and my log. Okay, last day, gotta get up. Signing out, Derek Lyons, here in Sweden, the forest of Endor, who knows, me and my log. Peace.